Chuku. Come to me in Serenity Recuperative Care. In East Los Angeles, California, USA. In all their foundations, in all their sites, and future upcoming sites. When the company gets big, and more Serenity Recuperative Care sites, different states, all everywhere, where they will be taking care of so many people with problems, and I'll be working for them, moving around, praying for all the sites, like a job. Come to me there. Serenity Recuperative Care. I'm walking with my school shoes. 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 Talantam. I have my backpack. I have my backpack. I have my backpack. I have my backpack. I have my backpack with my school shoes. 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 I'm walking with my school shoes. I'm walking with my school shoes. Ikpumkpu cover. Ikpumkpu Ikpumkpu. Ikpumkpu. Ikpumkpu means to cover. Ikpumkpu to banish, destroy, and cover negativities. They are called Ikpumkpu, to cover. To cover them and never rise again, the evils, the negativities. Then Ikpumkpu cover Akogheli, all Akogheli, 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 Akogheli forces, negative forces, and Asi, Asi, and Asi lies, 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 and Ighala, 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 and Ighala are false and fake, to cover them. They could come spiritual, they could come physical. The spiritual aspect causing negativities and disease, causing accident, causing different kind of problems. Then the physical aspect, they could possess people, go into people and possess them. All helps you give to them, they will never want to change. All help you give to them, medication, injection, food, resources, but no improvement. In their mind, they are made up their mind to be evil, to be one same messengers of evil spirits. They are possessed by Akogheli forces, and they are ready to destroy if you give them gun. Then with no gun, they are plotting and looking for a way. All that are helping them, rendering all the good help to them, they are looking for a way to get you in trouble, get them in trouble. All the help given to so many, but all the care is that their selfish and useless agenda, either to get the foundation in trouble or look for a way to fall victim of problem there. Then next thing, they sue the foundation. They pay them money. They go through party, drink, have sex with different kind of men and women enjoy the money. That's all they care. Moving humanity forward is none of their business. Following what is going on in the world is none of their business. Then the taxpayers and the government providing the help, they don't give a fuck about them. They don't care about them. Say a prayer for the government. Say a prayer for the taxpayers. Say a prayer for all helping and rendering this help, and all taking care of them. They don't care. They don't give a fuck. Or they wish the country, the foundation downfall. They continue to wish everybody downfall. To destroy these Akogheli forces. They are all Ikpumkpu. And these prayers are special for Serenity Recuperative Care. To transfer them into their science and technologies, into all their sites, to help them and move them forward. All Akogheli forces are lies, Ighala, false and fake against them, or anybody bringing to their foundation, like a resident or like a patient, they take in, but have different agenda to destroy and never want to help themselves. To destroy these forces and the foundation where it might struggle to rise again, and the possession they have in them, coming in and bringing in to the Serenity facilities, to destroy. I use all animals, roosters, hens, Care.Peter collars, male dog, nketa, male dogs, obago, otinku chicken, 4 he goats, baby powders, cosmetic soap, tissue napkins. Destroy and turn them upside down. All the Akogheli, as Akogheli forces, negative forces, and as lies, Ighala, false and fake, and some hiding, coming in to hide, so that they carry out their mission in their secret groups, in their secret chat. All that come in with this intention, destroy all their plans, and to block where they might struggle to rise again, the source of their foundation, negativities, to block them. I use all animals, roosters, hens, Care.Peter collars, Ebo ngene, green blocking, Chukwu and Ndi hotel walls, all colors blocking, uncountable rabbits, build physical and spiritual giant walls, block all these negativities, Akogheli forces, from coming into Serenity or Serenity side, block all of them, and all trying to bring it into Serenity, to use it against Serenity Recuperative Care. I block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west, and add uncountable rabbits and block them. Block their secret missions. Block them in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And to cover these negativities, Akogheli forces, lies, Ighala, false and fakes. To cover them, I use otinku, I use oke and adidi chicken, ubolocha, ubuloji, white and black chicks, 33 uncooked eggs, 33 bitter collars, ibu nkata aja, basket ritual. Capture all these negativities and the one possessing them. Capture all of them, bring them down. Use black trash bags, black blanket, cover all of them. Cover, tie, blind, block, bury and cover all of them, and banish them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. And all that struggle to bring into Serenity again, and in Serenity, or against Serenity, their staffs, their workers, their foundation, science and technologies, banish them out in the north, in the south, in the east, and in the west. Prayer, Serenity Recuperative Care, and all staffs, all workers, skyrocket to sun, moon, all universe, all planets, stars, galaxies, cosmos, solar system, infinity's orbit, transfer to Serenity Recuperative Care, to their foundation and their workers, their staffs, their members, their supporters, their friends and well-wishers, their science and technologies. But, and I welcome myself, Peter Odera Nkwuaku, Sanko FM Chief Priest. Welcome myself like Serenity Recuperative Care, Chief Priest, like a job to them. Moving around from side to side, from their different sides, praying for their different sides and moving them forward. So Maribi, he say, it's me, Sanko FM Chief Priest Peter Odera Nkwuaku in Los Angeles, California, USA. Chief Priest what? Chief Priest USA. Chief Priest Serenity Recuperative Care. USA. Ovungwongwe vulu yana, chukunna me vulu yana. Ovungwongwe vulu yana, chukunna me vulu yana. I am Lord of sea and sky. I have heard my people cry. Whom shall I send? Here I am, Lord. If you guide me, if you lead your people in my hands.